You ready to cut your nails? You'll be okay. Can you move your whiskers out of the way, please? Thank you. Be nice, please. Okay. Okay. I expected that. I'm not even done yet. Alrighty. I'm gonna be here all day. Are you ready to come out? Come on out. I'll give you a minute. Wow, that is sharp. I can cut a steak with those bad boys. Does it stress you out? You want a hug? Okay, come on. Come get a hug. All right. I know. Oh, Kai, look, there's Millie. Look. Look. For this last part, you're not going to like it, but we're going to put a pillow in between your little tummy area, okay? Okay, just stay still. That way you can't get to your toe beans, if I can find them. Good boy. There you go. All right, you're all done with your toe beans. A little head massage.